In the realm of science fiction, time travel has long been a staple of imagination, captivating the minds of scientists, philosophers, and enthusiasts alike. The concept of traversing through the fabric of time, visiting eras past or future, has sparked debates and discussions that have spanned centuries. However, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of time travel, a paradoxical conundrum emerges, threatening to unravel the very fabric of our understanding of the universe. Welcome to the Enigma of Time Travel Paradox. The Grandfather Paradox, a thought experiment. Imagine a time traveler, let's call him John, who sets out to visit his grandfather in the past. John's intention is to prevent his grandfather from marrying John's grandmother, thereby preventing John's own birth. If John succeeds in preventing the marriage, he would cease to exist as he was never born. But if John never existed, then who prevented the marriage? This creates a paradox where the consequences of John's actions contradict the initial premise of his journey. This is known as the Grandfather Paradox. The Novikov self-consistency principle. In an attempt to resolve the Grandfather Paradox, physicist Igor Novikov proposed the self-consistency principle. According to this theory, any events that occur through time travel have already occurred and are therefore predetermined. This means that if John tries to prevent his grandfather from marrying, he will either fail or his actions will be part of the events that led to his own birth. The Novikov principle ensures that the timeline remains intact, preventing any paradoxical consequences. The multiple timelines hypothesis. Another approach to resolving the paradox is the multiple timelines hypothesis. This theory suggests that every time a time traveler attempts to alter the past, they create a new timeline or branch of reality. This means that John's actions would create a new timeline where his grandfather never married, while the original timeline remains intact. This hypothesis raises questions about the nature of reality and the concept of a single, unified timeline. The predestination paradox. The predestination paradox is a variation of the Grandfather Paradox, where a time traveler's actions are predetermined and cannot be changed. For example, imagine a time traveler who is sent back in time to kill his own mother before she gives birth to him. However, if the time traveler succeeds in killing his mother, then he would never have been born to send the time traveler back in time. This creates a paradox where the time traveler's actions are both necessary and impossible. The Bastavik paradox. The Blischert paradox is a type of time travel paradox where object or information is sent back in time only to be returned to its original point of origin. For example, imagine a time traveler who sends a book back in time to a younger version of himself. The younger version of the time traveler then uses the book to learn something new, which he later sends back in time to his younger self. This creates a paradox where the book's origin is unknown and it seems to have come from nowhere. The consequences of time travel paradox. The time travel paradox has significant implications for our understanding of the universe and the laws of physics. If time travel is possible, then it raises questions about the stability of the timeline and the consequences of altering the past. The paradox also challenges our understanding of causality and the concept of free will. The search for a solution. The time travel paradox remains one of the most enduring and intriguing puzzles in modern physics. While various theories and hypotheses have been proposed to resolve a paradox, a definitive solution remains elusive. The search for a solution continues, with scientists and philosophers exploring new ideas and perspectives. The time travel paradox is a mind-bending enigma that has captivated the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and enthusiasts for centuries. As we continue to explore the mysteries of time travel, we are forced to confront the paradoxical consequences of altering the past. Whether through the Novikov self-consistency principle, the multiple timelines hypothesis, or the predestination paradox, the time travel paradox remains a challenging and thought-provoking puzzle that continues to inspire new ideas and perspectives. Novikov I. The River of Time. Physics today, tiefen Redan Sie Tamdi Teingun. Hawking S. A Brief History of Time, From the Big Bang to Black Holes. Deutsch D. Cindy Enamagni. Quantum Mechanics Near Closed Thermalike Curves. Physical Review D. Taljetalon Bia Radiation Ver Ea Vuxidepone Sattel. Suskind L. 2008. The Black Hole War. My Battle with Stephen Hawking to Make the World Safe for Quantum Mechanics. Little, Brown and Company. The Time Traveler's Dilemma by Mark Frauenfelder. Time Travel, A How to Guide by Paul Davies. The Physics of Time Travel by Kip S. Causality, the relationship between cause and effect. Timeline, a sequence of events in a particular order. Novikov self-consistency principle, a theory that any events that occur through time travel have already occurred and are therefore predetermined. Multiple timelines hypothesis, a theory that every time a time traveler attempts to alter the past, they create a new timeline or branch of reality. Predestination paradox, a type of time travel paradox where a time traveler's actions are predetermined and cannot be changed. Budapest paradox, a type of time travel paradox where an object or information is sent back in time only to be returned to its original point of origin.